Good evening, guys. My name is Marjo Salea Chensa, and let's do some interview from a random person about mental health awareness. Let's go. Hello, sir. Can I bother you for a minute?
Sure.
So, I have three questions about mental health awareness. So, can we start?
Sure.
So, first question is how can we reduce the stigma around mental health?
I think we as Filipinos, generally humans who are experiencing stress, anxiety, and other mental health problems, shouldn't stigmatize mental health, or we should inform and remind everyone that our mental health matters. It isn't gender-centric or not specified by any kind of who you are. Research and direct teaching also an okay or alright solution to give information about this kind of matter, especially the youth. We shouldn't instill a negative image or thought about mental health, and we shouldn't victimize or being selective about each and every one of us, because it matters, and every individual should have the right to be, or should give a voice, and we should listen to them also.
Last question. How can technology help raise mental health awareness?
Well, technology, specifically social media nowadays, are massive tools when it comes to spreading the message about mental health. We should spread the message, the unyielding message to our kababayans. Instead of stigmatizing this social issue around us, actually it's kind of concerning that majority of us here in our country, in the Philippines, are uneducated about our social issue, which is mental health. I just wish that we use our platforms more to spread the word, spread the wisdom that our mental health is one of our needs here in our society that we live in. We should start advocate, educate, normalize this message, normalize that mental health isn't just a minuscule problem. It is vast, and we could do more about it. We should break the cycle that is tied within us here in our country, in our culture, and also in our humanity. We should not be a conservative type, but rather a progressive type of individual when it comes to mental health. Break the stigma. Thank you.